How to change Facebook password without old password. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with step-by-step tutorial that we can follow and you should be able to change it. You change your old password. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. Open up Facebook for that and go ahead and look out for the menu option in the top left if you're already logged in. Once you are here, select settings and privacy, drop it down and select settings from here. Now after we open up settings, we need to look out for the option called Account Center and tap on it. And within Account Center, tap on the option called Password and Security. And inside Password and Security, choose the option for Change Password. And then here we can select up our Facebook account. And once it is selected, here it will provide us with the section where we can just go and change the Facebook password without the old password. So what we can do is we can just go over and select the option for forgot your password here. And after you've done so, it will give us an option to verify using mobile number, phone number instead. So you can use that option and go ahead and tap on continue. And without even having your old password, you should be able to create your new password. You can type in your new password and retype it and confirm it up and tap on change password and you should be able to do it. And that's it. And it's super easy. If you're even logged out, you can go to the sign in page and follow the same process by tapping on forgot password. And you can choose where you can receive the verification code and set up a new password. And that is it. While creating your password, you can use at least 12 characters, mix the letters, numbers and symbols. And do not reuse passwords from other sites or applications. So that's it everybody. For now, we hope this video was helpful. Make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe for more.